Want to hide your active status on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to turn off your active status on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the top right corner of your profile page, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. Scroll down to Messages and Story Replies and tap on it. Next, tap on the Show Activity Status. In order to turn off your active status, slide the slider button to the off position. And that's how you can turn off your active status on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss our upcoming videos.